Hey everyone. So on Transact, we have a report which is supplier rating report, which gives you a visibility that exactly how your supplier is and what is the performance of your supplier. So from where you can check that, go to all modules. Here you need to go to report and intelligence. Once you will come in report and intelligence, please check. Here is the list of reports. Now on your right hand side, you can simply just go ahead and type rating. So in purchase, you will see supplier rating report. Now I will click on generate report. Please check. These are some of the options which are provided. What are these? Creation date interval. This contains your PO creation date. Ignore deliveries which are delayed over certain days. So here you can do not ignore 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. So it will take the data from the inward PO date via inward date, and in PO there is a date which remains of the delivery date. So that consider the delivery date as well. After that, calculate delay rating based on delay days or percentage of deviation from lead time. Lead time is referred as the PO delivery date. Now there you can check. Same goes with the delay days. Tolerable days, delay in days, maximum delay in days allowed, tolerable deviation in from lead time, and max deviation from lead time. Tolerable rejection refers your GRN document where the product is accepted or rejected. So you can select it accordingly, and then after, what you can do, you can simply just go ahead and generate the report. Once I will generate the report, please check. This is the data. Here you will get supplier name, then after reference ID, total PO to be delivered, total PO considered, PO delivery complete. After that, PO delivery complete percentage you will get, delivered partially percentage, and so on going ahead. Not delivered weighted average delays here you will get, and supplier delay rating you will get. You can select the columns as per your requirement and use this report. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.